Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how often you should replace your mattress. Also, I'll be talking about the top 3 best online mattresses, so without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point you'd like to check out the online mattresses for yourself, you'll find helpful links as well as discounts in the description down below to help you save some extra money. Alright, the lifespan of a mattress can be different depending on various factors like the quality of the materials, usage, and personal comfort preferences. And while there's no specific rule that applies to every mattress, there are some general guidelines to consider when determining if it's time to replace your mattress. First, you need to check the warranty provided by the mattress manufacturer, since many reputable mattress brands offer warranties that range from 5 to 20 years or even more. So the warranty period can give you an idea of the expected lifespan of the mattress. But keep in mind that the warranty does not necessarily dictate the exact time to replace the mattress, as it can vary based on your usage and care. You also need to pay attention to the comfort and support your mattress provides. So if you notice sagging, lumps, or uneven wear and tear, it may indicate that the mattress has reached the end of its lifespan, since an uncomfortable mattress can lead to poor sleep quality and potential discomfort or even pain sometimes. Also, inspect your mattress for visible signs of wear and tear. Make sure to check for fried edges, broken springs, or fabric damage, because these issues can affect the performance and durability of the mattress. Now, if you have allergens or respiratory issues, consider the impact of your mattress on your health. Now, over time, mattresses can accumulate allergens such as dust mites, mold, or mildew. So if you notice worsening allergen symptoms or respiratory issues, it may be a sign that it's time for a new mattress. And lastly, any changes in your lifestyle or body needs can also influence when to replace your mattress. For example, if you gained or lost weight, experience changes in mobility, or have major life events like getting pregnant, your comfort and support needs may have changed. So it's important to ensure that your mattress continues to meet your evolving needs. Now, for a general guideline, most mattresses tend to last between 7 to 10 years, but this can vary depending on the factors mentioned before, so it's important to pay attention to the signs that indicate your mattress is no longer providing the necessary comfort and support for a good night's sleep. And also, you'll need a high quality mattress that can last long, which is why I compiled a list of the top 3 best online mattresses for you to choose from. And so after testing out the most popular online mattress brands, I found that Saatva, DreamCloud, and Nectar stand out as the best in the market overall. Now, all 3 offer a 365-night trial period, a lifetime warranty, and free shipping. However, each brand offers some unique features of its own, so choosing the best out of the 3 will depend on your needs and preferences, and I'll break each one down to help you make an informed decision. First, let's start with Saatva, which is the overall best out of the 3, and the go-to service if you're looking for a classic and traditional mattress. Now, besides free shipping, Saatva goes the extra mile by offering free white glove delivery services. This means they'll install the mattress for you and even get rid of your old mattress if you want them to. And on top of that, the mattress will be delivered ready for you to sleep on, unlike the other 2 that get delivered rolled up in a box, where you have to wait a couple of days for it to inflate and take form. And what's unique about Saatva mattresses is their design. For example, the Saatva Classic, which is their most popular hybrid mattress, has 2 layers of coils, unlike the standard single-layered ones. These layers are split into inner springs at the bottom and thinner coils near the surface, which give the Saatva Classic a more traditional feel that is rare to find nowadays. But the Saatva Classic is not all they have to offer. In fact, they have the largest selection of mattresses out of the 3, ranging from all foams to hybrids and even children's beds and adjustable mattresses. Their mattresses also come in 3 firmness levels, which makes Saatva suitable for almost anyone. And if you choose the adjustable one, you get over 50 precise firmness levels, which is unheard of in this market. So if you're looking for the biggest range of traditional mattresses that have firmness levels that cater to almost anyone, Saatva is your go-to choice. Next up, we have DreamCloud, which is the best overall choice for hybrid mattresses. Now, unlike Saatva and Nectar, DreamCloud is solely dedicated to hybrids and offers 3 great models: Classic, Premier, and Premier Rest. These DreamCloud hybrids work best for individuals weighing over 250 pounds, providing excellent support through their pocketed coils. And as a hybrid mattress, DreamCloud combines all the benefits of coil support, making it ideal for long-term use. Also, these coils ensure refreshing airflow and a suitable balance that many sleepers like. And with a flat, medium firmness level, these mattresses accommodate all sleeping positions. But if you prefer a firmer feel, the Premier model delivers just that, while the Rest model offers a softer firmness level. Now, even though DreamCloud uses a layer of memory foam, it has an overall neutral foam feel, unlike the typical sinking feeling. This neutral foam feel, which caters to most sleepers, is what makes it potentially the best option for most, unlike traditional feel of Sattva mattresses and the all-foam dense feel of Nectar models. And so DreamCloud is the best choice if you're looking for an all-rounded hybrid mattress that caters to most sleeping positions. And finally, we have Nectar, which is the most affordable option out of the three and the best when it comes to all-foam mattresses. Now, Nectar specializes in all-foam mattresses and has three models currently: the Classic, the Premier, and the Premier Copper. Now, when it comes to firmness, Nectar has a thick layer of memory gel foam that gives the mattress a medium level firmness and dense memory feel, which is the best type for back and stomach sleepers and caters mostly to lightweight individuals. But if you're on the heavier end, don't worry, since Nectar recently launched 3 hybrid counterparts of their original models, which are perfect for heavyweight sleepers that are looking for a comfortable traditional memory foam feel. And on top of that, the covers from Nectar mattresses are removable and you can wash them regularly, which is not something you usually see on online mattresses. So if you're looking for the most affordable option that offers traditional memory foam feel across both their hybrids and all foam models, Nectar is your go-to. So to sum it up, choosing the best one between these three depends on your needs and personal preferences. If you're looking for a classic mattress that suits just about everyone, Sattva is your go-to with a wide range of firmness levels and a top-notch white glove delivery service. They're truly the best in the business. Now, if you're looking for a hybrid mattress that cater to almost any sleeping position, DreamCloud is the best out of the three. They specialize in hybrid models that are especially great for heavyweights. And finally, if you want something a bit more budget-friendly, Nectar is the most affordable option. Now, even though they're generally cheaper than the other two, Nectar mattresses are the best when it comes to traditional memory foam feel, and they come in both all foam and hybrid models. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in the online mattress brands mentioned in this video, you'll find links to pricing and discounts, as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys, and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.